Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to put endscreen using mobile phones or smartphones. So let's start guys. So here I'm already on my YouTube channel. So at the right side you're going to touch this profile or your avatar, that one, and then go to Creator Studio. And next here it's come up your videos here, so you can just tap the edit here, and then here you go, this one. So on top of your video, here's the end screen, so tap end screen, and then before adding our element to our end screen, I'll show you how to use templates. So this one guys, your template, use this template there, and then here's the result. You can choose which one you like. Here there is, you can add 2 elements for this one, 2 elements that one, this one 3 elements, you can add 3 elements for that one too. So these are the templates guys, so you can select which one you like. Yan. So mine, I'll choose this one. I can add 4 elements on this template, so I select that one and then press select or touch select there, and now here, that one guys. So that one there, oops. So you can just move this one that side guys if you want. Yeah, you can just move that side there, yeah, like that. And then in this side here, you touch this here, edit, you can choose playlist there, and here you can choose any of your videos there. I choose this one, and then I already choose, so press save there, save there, and go back to the other one. So one is already done. I paste the other one again, and now let's choose another one. So you can choose which one you like guys. There's most recent upload or best for viewers, and see, we're gonna choose this one guys, the first one this time. So the recent upload, and then you're just gonna press save there, and then you still got 2 here to put on guys. So I'm gonna select this playlist, I'm gonna select another video, that one, and then you just save again, save, and then the last one here guys, the last one. Now choose another one, maybe that one there, and then save. So that's how you use your templates. Don't forget to save after you choose your templates or element there, guys. Yan, save. Hey guys, I show you how to put end screen on your videos by adding element on your template. So here, let's start clicking or touching that end screen on top of your video. So that one, guys, this one have no end screen yet, so we'll add next of your video. There is add element there. Can you see it there? Add element, just tap that one, and then under that one is video playlist, subscribe, channel, yeah, and link. If your link is enabled, you can use your link. Then mine is not enabled yet, so I can only choose channel, subscribe, and playlist. So first I'm gonna create playlist, so touch create, and then so under that one here, most recent upload, you can choose that one if you want. Best for viewers, choose a video or playlist. So first thing I gonna choose most recent upload. So touch create element, and then go back to the top. This time, guys, I choose the subscribe, create, touch again, create. So Lanih Parish come up there, so that's my YouTube channel. So add another element again, then I just create the first one, choose the first one. So this time I'm gonna choose video or playlist, that one there. So choose which videos you like, so that I choose that one, create element. This is the last element that I'm gonna put, just another video, and that one there, and then please create element. It's done. So move this one, guys, in the other side. There, you can move that one there, and that one there. And so don't forget to save it, guys. So that's save. So this is how you add your element on your template using end screen. If you wanna delete or change your element, you can change it anytime. This is how you do it. It's very easy and simple. So you just go end screen, tap the end screen, and here's my end screen on my video. And on this side here, for example, you gonna delete this first one here. If you don't like that first one, then you can just delete it. Yeah, there, tap this one, tap again. That's it. You'll see there, it's only 3. So that's how you delete your elements on your template. So guys, let's have a look in my YouTube apps to see if my end screen works. So let's check if the end screen works. So let's stop my video that I just edited before. That one, let's forward it. It's quicker. There, and wait. Well, wait, guys. Yan, yung mga fish ko dyan, guys. So here's the end screen, guys. It works. That's good. Okay, so guys, hope you like my video, and please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that notification bell and leave comments. Then hit that notification bell for more videos daily. Thank you, and bye bye.